The set line elevation is a little bit different than the change elevation, and it works where you're going to pick an object, and from that object you're going to enter an elevation. Now you can also do an offset to that as well as add it to a surface. So if, for example, this contour line, you can see down here has an elevation of a 0, right? So I can see the geometry of this line is undefined, but it came from a GIS set of import, or a GIS import of a shapefile, and we can see that the elevation is supposed to be 290. So I can select here in the elevation and either type in 290 or basically copy and paste it from here. So I could copy it and then paste it over here, or just type in 290. But when I do this, I can also add it to the surface. So if this is supposed to be my original ground surface, I can do this and apply it, and it'll raise that line to an elevation of 290, and it will also add it to my surface. So if you saw down here, it was actually processing and creating that surface, and therefore I've added that line string and that contour line anyways to my surface. So I can do that with other lines as well. If I wanted to add this one to the surface, I could type in what the elevation should be, what I want it to be, and then it will elevate it, and I can add it to the surface, or I can tell it not to add it to a surface.